Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering your Google Home Wi-Fi and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure your modem is online and your phone's Bluetooth and location are on. This lets the app detect the device. Tap Add, then Set up Device and choose New Device. Once done, follow the on-screen pairing prompt to connect to the unit's temporary SSID so the app can transfer Wi-Fi credentials automatically and move to configuration. Once the app pairs, you'll name your new Wi-Fi network and create a password. Pick a memorable name and a strong password to secure access. Make sure to select band settings based on device compatibility, and if you're using multiple units, opt to add mesh points now. The app may offer guest network and device priority options. Configure those to control access and performance. Finally, allow any firmware updates to finish so the system runs current software. To finish, run a speed and coverage test from the Google Home app and walk critical rooms to confirm signal strength. Reposition nodes halfway between router and problem areas for better mesh coverage. If devices can't connect, reboot the modem and each Google unit, then reattempt setup. This often clears IP conflicts. If setup still fails, perform a factory reset by holding the unit's reset button for about 10 seconds, then start over. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.